Hi guys, we're gonna make double star. Finish. See that, guys? Okay, my turn. This is another way. Me too. I can do it. But this is another way. And this is the other way. To make double star. See that? It's a double star. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. See you next time. See you next time. To know, to show your magic trick.